Ready to unlock a smoother, more efficient way to manage your Etsy shop finances? First, head over to Etsy.com and sign into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your shop manager. You can find this by clicking on the shop manager icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. In the shop manager, look for the finance section. It's typically found in the left-hand menu. Click on finance to expand the options. From the finance drop-down menu, select payment settings. This will take you to the page where you can manage your payment preferences. On the payment settings page, you should see an option to connect with Plaid. Plaid securely connects your bank account to Etsy, making it easier to track income and expenses. Click on the button or link that says Connect with Plaid or similar. You'll be redirected to Plaid's secure interface. Here, you'll see a list of banks. Select your bank from the list. If you don't see your bank, you can search for it using the search bar. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your online banking credentials, such as your username and password. This information is securely transmitted to your bank through Plaid's encrypted connection. Plaid will then ask you to select the bank account you want to link to your Etsy shop. Choose the appropriate account and click Continue. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be redirected back to your Etsy payment settings page. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Plaid account is successfully connected. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Plaid to your Etsy shop. Now you can enjoy streamlined payment processing and easier financial management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Etsy tips and tricks.